Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a 2011 Toyota 4Runner. What are we doing today? Well, we're going to be replacing the rear sway bar end links. Wheel ready. Well, we still have to top off our washer fluid. Coolant's at level. Brake fluid is also at level. Tested the battery. Battery's good. Engine air and cabin air filter are good. Oh, looks like I gotta put that back on there. Alright. Well, let's get into it. So now that we took it up top, we're gonna go right to the back and see what the failure is. Here's this link right here. It's still attached. Right? Now we go to this side. Uh-oh. Where? Oh, there it is. So that's the reason why we are replacing that, and of course we replace them in pairs. So I guess we'll start off by getting this nut off here, giggity, and we'll get that nut off right there, and double giggity. But it looks like they're gonna give me the business, especially this one, this freaking damn exhaust right in the... Wait, is there water in that? I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's freaking water in that exhaust. All right, let's get to this repair. Well, things have escalated to the point I had to bust out the cutoff wheel and get up in there and cut that nut off. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our air chisel and punch that out. Hit over here with a little bit of Rust-Oleum because the wheel bounced over there a little bit. No reason to leave bare metal over there. And yeah, we're probably gonna have to do the same exact thing to the other side. I wanted to do this side first because it's the more difficult side because we got the exhaust in the way. But yeah, we're getting there. We're going good. So let's continue. Well, alright guys, we have the passenger side link fully installed. This guy up here is tight, and this guy here is tight. Now, if you're wondering how tight to put this guy, because you could send it to the moon and squish these out completely, the bushings, rule of thumb and tip of the video, whenever you're doing links with bushings like this, you want to squish it to about the same width of the washer. You see how this side I didn't do yet? Original size. And that's crushed down. That's what you want to do. Very good. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.